Welcome to Race TV. Here we are celebrating a significant occasion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday, which falls on 17 September. Let's explore his journey, achievements, and the impact he has made on India and the world. Narendra Modi was born on 17 September 1950 in Vadnagar, Gujarat. He grew up in a humble family and helped his father sell tea at a railway station. Modi was an active participant in the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS) from a young age, which shaped his political ideology. He completed his bachelor's degree in arts from the University of Delhi and later earned a master's degree in political science from Gujarat University. Modi's political career began in the 1970s when he joined the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). He quickly rose through the ranks, becoming the party's general secretary in Gujarat. His leadership skills were recognized, and he was appointed as the Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2001, a position he held until 2014. During his tenure as Chief Minister, Modi implemented several initiatives that transformed Gujarat's economy. He focused on infrastructure development, power generation, and agriculture, leading to significant economic growth. His Gujarat model of development garnered national attention and positioned him as a prominent leader in Indian politics. In 2014, Narendra Modi led the BJP to a historic victory in the general elections, becoming the 14th Prime Minister of India. His campaign focused on development, good governance, and anti-corruption, resonating with millions of voters. He was re-elected in 2019 with an even larger mandate, emphasizing his popularity and the trust the public has in his leadership. Since taking office, PM Modi has launched several transformative initiatives, including Make in India, aimed at boosting manufacturing and creating jobs; Digital India, focused on enhancing digital infrastructure and promoting technology; Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a campaign to improve sanitation and cleanliness across the country; Ayushman Bharat, a health insurance scheme providing coverage to millions of underprivileged families. Modi's leadership has also had a significant impact on India's global standing. He has strengthened diplomatic relations with various countries, promoted Indian culture, and addressed global issues such as climate change. His speeches at international forums, including the United Nations, have emphasized India's role as a responsible global player. On his birthday, various events are organized across the country. From community service initiatives to cultural programs, people celebrate by honoring his contributions to the nation. Many also engage in charitable activities, reflecting Modi's emphasis on social responsibility. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's journey from a small town to the highest office in India is inspiring. His vision for a developed India continues to motivate millions. As we celebrate his birthday, let's reflect on the values of leadership, service, and dedication to the nation. Thank you for watching Race TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Join us in celebrating the spirit of leadership and service. See you next time on Race TV.